Kelly Hushin here. I'm with the eTail blog, and we're here at eTail 2013 in sunny Palm Springs. And I'm here with Mike Sands, CEO of BrightTag.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, thanks for being with us today. So, Mike, I understand you have some big news with BrightTag today, so why don't you tell us what that is?
Absolutely. Today we're announcing the launch of BrightTag Fuse. This new product of ours is in keeping with a key theme here at eTail around the omni-channel consumer. You know, our large retail customers are active across the globe, and they have bricks and mortar locations, they have mobile applications, they have websites, email platforms, data warehouses. Their customer interacts with them in many, many different ways. And BrightTag Fuse is the first real-time data integration platform that ties all of those touch points together, makes it available to the marketer, to the e-commerce and commerce executives that are at our clients so that they can communicate with their customers in real time with the most relevant message.
So I'm sure some retailers and other vendors out there might be wondering, how is this different from tag management?
Right.
There's a lot of tag management out there, so why don't you tell us how that's different?
Absolutely. Tag management, and BrightTag is the world's largest and leading tag management company, but as we confronted the challenges that our clients had across the globe of data integration, remember that's what a tag does. It collects data and it transmits the different third-party service providers. Tags don't go where the omni-channel consumer is. So tags are really a browser-based idea that was invented 18 years ago and hasn't really evolved since. So if you're going to evolve with your customer, the omni-channel customer, you have to invent new technologies and new methodologies for collecting data where tags don't go, and that's what Fuse is. Fuse leverages the cloud, leverages APIs and a real-time data infrastructure to pull data everywhere where tags don't go.
Great, so why don't we pull back a bit and just have you tell us what BrightTag is all about. What's your mission?
Absolutely. When we founded the company, we realized that the way that data was collected and utilized and distributed on behalf of marketers, analytics people, e-commerce executives across the globe was fundamentally broken and hadn't really evolved in over 18 years. The method of installing a little piece of software on a site and having literally trillions and trillions of connections all over the globe that have to be maintained is silly. So we decided to replace that with a whole new next generation infrastructure of data integration to meet the needs of today's customer and today's vendor. And we have hundreds, if not thousands of them here today at eTail West.
Right.
And all of them can plug into the BrightTag system and share data in real time with each other.
Great. Now, you mentioned omni-channel earlier on. That's a huge topic. It is almost every year. It seems to just be getting bigger and bigger.
Right.
How can BrightTag address the challenge of omni-channel and just like you said, find a way to place those tags in all those channels?
Well, we have to go beyond tags. We have to replace the tag with an API. We have to replace the tag with the cloud. The notion of a browser doesn't exist in a data warehouse.
Yeah.
But the data warehouse has all your information with customer. Let me use a practical example.
Sure.
We have a retailer today that has a huge bricks and mortar infrastructure. They don't sell their mattresses online, they sell them at their stores. So they're using BrightTag Fuse to find out when a purchase is made of a mattress, immediately communicate to their retargeter, hey, show them linen ads online. So the idea of bridging online to offline is key. We have another company with a CRM database, millions and millions of dollars invested in it, but all that data is locked in cold storage. We're helping them unlock that data through our APIs, move that data into the cloud and interconnect it with their mobile experiences, their email platform and their web, so that all of that data can be shared. It's way beyond the concept of just tag management, and it's really the fundamental idea around real-time data integration.
Why hasn't the problem of omni-channel been solved yet?
Well, at its core, omni-channel is about a new way of behaving, a new way of organizing within a company, within the vendor community, and that takes time. We've always been organized around the notion of a channel. I have a mobile marketing team, I have a e-commerce team, I have a bricks and mortar team. Really what omni-channel is about is organizing around an outcome. I have an acquisition team, I have an activation team, I have a retention team. And changing the organization and organizational behavior is hard. We believe the BrightTag Fuse, because it can provide a technology infrastructure to help facilitate that change, will be part of that equation in helping all of the folks here at eTail embrace a new methodology.
Besides omni-channel tag management, what do you think is one of the biggest challenges facing retailers today and will continue to be in, let's say, the next year or two?
Well, I think that what's on a lot of people's minds here is the notion of showrooming and the challenges that that faces. And again, that comes back down to data integration. And can I make the activities in my bricks and mortar operations interchangeable and interoperable with what's happening online? I think that that's a key theme. The other thing that I love to see is just the rapid pace of innovation that's occurring. I'm inspired by the idea that new ideas and new technologies are being invented all the time. I've been doing this for a long time, 25 plus years, and when I started as a young marketing guy, I was buying media on graph paper and pencils, and now it's being done virtually through the cloud. It's just amazing the rate at which we're innovating as an organization, and just getting to walk here around eTail and see the pace at which all of us are moving today is inspiring.
Well, you trumped my last question, Mike, which was who or what inspires you? Anything you can think of that comes to mind, a retailer outside the retail industry?
You know, I'll just say something a little bit broad, and maybe it's cliche, but I'm really inspired by the cloud and cloud computing today and what it can do. We can, as companies, whether you're a retailer or a vendor, you can be global in a moment's notice. You can meet the demands of your consumer anywhere that they are because you have always-on capabilities in the cloud. And I think that more and more vendors and more e-tailers are starting to embrace that notion of an always-on customer, and having that always-on infrastructure in the cloud is inspiring and really allows you to do things that even a few years ago weren't possible.
Well, thank you so much, Mike. It's been great to talk to you, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you so much.